Brother, do you want to speak like Andrew Tate? Exactly, I bet you do. Today I'll take you into the world of improving your communication skills. Yes, that's right. It might seem like a challenge right now, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. So, we will explore 5 key ways to elevate your communication game, step by step. Watch until the end and don't skip a single point if you want to improve your communication skill and speak fluently like Andrew Tate. Step number 1. Lend your ears. Effective communication starts with being a good listener. We've all met someone like Tom, a constant interrupter, daydreamer, and phone checker when others are talking. Tom's poor listening skills created a ripple effect, impacting both his professional and personal life. Coworkers became frustrated, and opportunities slipped away. In his personal life, friends and family started avoiding conversations, leading to a breakup with his girlfriend. So, make a commitment to become a better listener. It's not just about staying quiet, it's about actively engaging, asking thoughtful questions, and showing empathy. Step number 2. Think before you speak. Now that you're on the path to being a better listener, let's talk about thinking before you speak. Some people have a habit of speaking without considering the impact of their words. This impulsive behavior can make you seem thoughtless or even rude. Take a moment to reflect on what you're about to say. Consider how your words might be received by the other person. It's about choosing your words carefully, being tactful and diplomatic. This practice ensures that your message is not only heard but also understood. Step number 3. Be brief and specific. While being a good listener and thinking before speaking are crucial, being brief and specific is equally important. In our fast-paced world, people value communication that gets straight to the point. Avoid rambling and use clear, straightforward language. Organize your thoughts before speaking and stick to the main topic. Being concise shows respect for the listener's time and attention. Step number 4. Use your body language. Communication is not just about words, your body language speaks volumes. Maintain eye contact to convey confidence and honesty. Stand up straight to show self-assurance and capability. Gestures, when used naturally, add emphasis to your words. Facial expressions, like a smile or raised eyebrow, can complement your message and add character to your communication style. Before we move on to the next step, do join our 1% Men community by clicking the like and subscribe button, brother. Alright, let's move forward with step number 5. Watch your tone. Your tone is a crucial aspect of communication. It's not just about what you say but how you say it. Adjust your volume to a comfortable level, neither too soft nor too loud. Pace your speech according to the situation, not too fast or too slow. Ensure your tone matches the content of your message. Whether serious or lighthearted, your tone should align with the context. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll witness positive changes in your personal and professional interactions. Remember, brother, communication is an ongoing journey of improvement. Keep working on it, as the room for improvement is the biggest room in the world. You can do this.